so we can see you, baby. Okay, come on. What's your name, little girl?
My name is Ming.
Hi, Ming. And you are? Henry. How old are you, Henry? How old?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Ming, how old are you? Louder.
I'm 5 years.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What is this? Is this a clock
Yes,
or a bag?
a clock.
It's a clock. Ming, is this a bag or a clock?
Clock.
It's a clock. Now, what are the numbers on the face of a clock? Come on, Ming, Ming. Okay. Henry, what number is this?
1.
Ming, louder. Henry, 1.
1.
Okay, here. Look. Ming. Let's identify the numbers first. Henry, Ming, don't move. No. It's not yet time to do that. Just tell me the numbers first. What number is this?
Number 1.
Henry, what number is this?
Number 1.
Next number. Ming. Number
2.
2. Henry, next number. What number is this?
Number 3.
Louder.
Number 3.
3. Amazing. Next.
Number 4.
4. Ming.
Number
What number is this?
Number 5.
Next. Henry.
Number 6.
Amazing. Ming.
Number 7.
Okay, next. Number
Number 8.
8. And this one is?
Number 9.
What number is this?
Number 10.
10. And this one is?
Number 11.
And this one is?
Number 12.
Okay. Kids, stop playing first. How many hands do we have? 2. Okay. 1, 2.
2.
The other one is short, the other one is long. Okay? Don't move, Henry, me. Don't move the long hand. Only the short hand will move. Because it's the hour, right? Now, Henry, show me. What time is it? Teacher says, Henry, it's 2 o'clock. Henry, 2 o'clock. Move the hand. 2 o'clock. Stop moving, Ming. Take a seat. 2 o'clock? No. Henry, 2 o'clock. Where is number 2? Amazing. Okay. Move, baby. Okay. What time is it, Henry? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock.
Stop.
It's not time to play, Ming, huh? It's o'clock. Don't play. Okay, it's 2 o'clock. Henry, Ming, no experiment if you will play. Stand here, don't play. Later we can, okay? Everybody, it's 2 o'clock. Now, Ming, it's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Okay, move it. Yes, 4. Move the hand. Ming. Yes. Everybody, what time is it? It's Henry.
What time is this?
Ming, what time is it? Ming, focus. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Now, Henry, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock.
In the morning.
Amazing. What time is it? It's
10 o'clock.
now. Ming, it's 12. 12 noon. 12 o'clock. Go, 12.
It's 12 at breakfast.
Yes, no, lunchtime. Everybody, it's 12 o'clock.
It's 12 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Now, I want you to move it, Henry. The short hand, it's 8 in the morning. 8 o'clock. 8. Go. Amazing. What time is it?
Over here.
What time is it? It's